This is my mom. And we're gonna make some gluten-free brownies. We're just gonna test out this recipe that I found. And my mom's recently plant-based with me. So hopefully these turn out good. Let's get started. We can high five from back here, ready?
Oh, look, he's so cute.
All right, we're gonna start with some cocoa powder. Good enough. Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Are you?
No, you put it in. And then I'll get the salt. Wait, that's baking soda.
Oh. Well, how much baking soda? Just tell me.
Half a teaspoon.
Okay, let me just take that out. Hold on.
I think that's fine. That's fine. I would leave that. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
So we're done with that.
Yeah, that's baking soda, and then we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay, 2 teaspoons. All right.
I think I said that.
The baking powder.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then we just need some salt. They say 1/4 teaspoon. We do 1/2.
Yeah, that's right. We're salt people.
Now our dry ingredients are done, so we're gonna take over to the other side of the kitchen, and we're gonna make our fluffy egg-like mixture using some bean water. We have our stand mixer, and this is water from a chickpea can. Yeah, so this is called aquafaba.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna add it. Will you check how much cream and tartar I'm supposed to add?
Okay.
Blend it until stiff peaks form.
Ready?
We're gonna use some dates, and then we're gonna blend them up in our food processor. Some some vanilla extract and some Mott's unsweetened applesauce.
That's really cute. On the floor. Grocery list. We're gonna run out. I was just gonna get that the other day, but I thought we might have enough, but we don't.
Here's some vinegar and some cashew butter.
Is it gonna be like the middle of the? That's the wet ingredients. Okay.
So here's our aquafaba that's been really blended into now stiff peaks, and our wet ingredients.
Do you want me to put parchment paper in?
Yes.
Okay, see that.
We're mixing up our dry ingredients with a plastic fork. Okay. I guess I'll use this spoon to mix this stuff. I don't know. I feel like I'm missing milk or something.
Are we?
I guess not.
Now, you never made these before?
Mm-mm. So we forgot to add the maple syrup. All right, there.
Let me put in
Yeah.
all of it at one time. I guess I should. Very gently.
This is how my mom has lined our little brownie pan.
Okay, so if you put the timer on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, if it was something major, I would say, wow,
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, you know how that gets on us.
I think they're done.
Okay,
Yeah, hopefully I'm not wrong. You know what? I'd rather have undercooked than over.
that's true.
I'm gonna cut these like... So So this is what they look like. They're a little cakier than I was expecting. I was definitely hoping for something a little bit more chewy in texture, but maybe they'll taste okay.
That'd be good with icing.
They're too cakey.
They need an icing.
Yeah, I mean, they're good. But they're not chewy like the picture showed. I don't know.
What? Can we drizzle some chocolate on it?
Yeah, I need something.
I'll just drizzle.
I'll have the recipe for these linked below. They are really good, but they do need icing. Definitely gonna need a topping for these. Anyway, thanks for baking with me and my mom, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.